In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Chime Credit Builder. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will find the Chime Credit Builder on their website. So all that you have to do is, using a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to www.chime.com. When you arrive at this page, tap the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and under the Accounts category, you should see Credit Builder. When you tap on Credit Builder, you will be redirected to the main page of the Credit Builder tool, where you can see all of the features, benefits, and details about it. They list it as having no annual fee or interest, no credit check to apply, and no minimum security deposit required. Besides this, there are plenty of features that they list over here. They talk about what it can achieve and how it works in general. If all that you want to do is use the Chime Credit Builder, simply scroll all the way up after you know how it works and you are satisfied, and tap Get Started. If you already have a Chime account, just tap this option. Alternatively, tap Get Started like I mentioned. This will redirect you to a page where you have to do a security check, and afterwards you can start registering to use the tool. So as you can see, I'm just going to input some random information here. Keep in mind that none of this is real and I'm only doing it for demonstration purposes. And once you are done including your first and last name and a valid email address, you can proceed to join Chime. By joining Chime, you will have access to the Credit Builder tool, where you can manage your credit score and have it improved in no time. Once you are done registering, everything will be available to you. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this full process because I don't have the necessary credentials to finish, but the process is very simple and the Credit Builder is very intuitive to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Chime Credit Builder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.